Hello everyone, it's story time again. Today's story is In the Rainforest. I choose this book because our theme for this month is rainforest, and I know that children love animals. Let's see, on the cover, what picture do we see? What animals do we see on the cover? Oh, a frog, good job. What bird is this over here? A toucan, good job. And in the corner here is this little tiny bug. A ladybug, good job. Let's open our book and begin our story. What will you see in the rainforest? Let's take a peek. We are going on an adventure to explore the rainforest. What animals do you see in the rainforest? Oh, you see a monkey. We see butterflies. What else do we see? Oh, we see an owl in a tree. Good job. Here are some fluttering butterflies and hopping frogs. The butterflies are so beautiful. What colors do we see for the butterflies? We see pink, orange, green. Good job. And what color is our frog? Green. Good job. What sound does a frog make? Ribbit. Good job. And how does a frog get around? By hopping, yeah. They hop from place to place. Good job. Whoa, these are beautiful birds. Which one is your favorite? My favorite is the toucan. The toucan has a large beak and is a very beautiful bird. Which one is your favorite? The parrot. Yeah, the parrot is beautiful also. And it has some beautiful colors. Good job. Hello, snoozing sluts, slithering snakes, and sneaky spider monkeys. Oh, what time of the day do you think this is? Nighttime. How do you know that it is nighttime? Oh, because you see the moon and the stars. And the sluts are sleeping. Good job. How many monkeys do we see? Let's count them together. 1, 2. How many snakes do we see? 1, 2. Good job. There are some creatures hiding in these flowers. Can you spot a gecko, a ladybug, and a tarantula? There go the gecko. Good job. Can you find the ladybug? And it's so tiny too. It's right there, so small. The rainforest is filled with beautiful, colorful creatures. Oh, wow. In the rainforest, there's so much beautiful, beautiful animals and insects and bugs. They call the rainforest their home. Like how we have a house to live in, the rainforest is their home. And they enjoy. What animals do we see in the rainforest? What is this? A flamingo. Good job. What color is the flamingo? Pink. You're right. I love flamingos. What is this animal over here? A tiger. Good job. Oh, wow. These are such beautiful animals. Thank you for listening and thank you for being with me. The end.